It was almost midnight. Alex was alone. He was in the wrong part of the city. His phone had 1% battery, and the last train home would leave in 18 minutes. Then Alex saw a bus. He stepped toward the road, but a voice behind him said, "Don't get on that bus." Alex stopped. He did not know the man. He did not know where he was. And he did not know that the worst mistake of the night had already happened. 45 minutes earlier, everything was fine. Alex had spent the evening studying English. He had learned new words. He had practiced grammar. He felt good. His train home would leave from Central Station at 11:58. Alex had plenty of time, or so he thought. His battery was low, 3%. But Alex was not worried. He only needed one bus. "Excuse me, how do I get to Central Station?" "Take bus 14, it stops across the street." Alex heard one word, 40. He looked across the street. A bus was waiting, number 40. The doors were about to close. Alex ran. He did not ask. He simply sat down. That small decision changed the whole night. At first, Alex felt relaxed. He looked through the window. 10 minutes passed, then 15. The streets became darker. The stores disappeared. Alex checked the map on his phone. The screen went black. No map, no internet, no battery. Alex looked around the bus. There was only one other passenger, a man in a dark jacket, the same man Alex would see again later. Last stop, Central Station, number River Park. Alex's stomach became cold. River Park was far from Central Station. "How do I get to Central Station?" "Walk east, cross the bridge, then take the night bus near King Street." Alex understood only 3 words: bridge, bus, King Street. The driver closed the doors and left. It was 11:40, 18 minutes until the last train. Then Alex heard footsteps. The passenger from the bus was walking toward him. Alex moved back. The man reached into his jacket. Then he pulled out something small. "You dropped this." It was Alex's wallet. Alex had dropped it under the bus seat. "Oh, thank you." "You're welcome. Are you lost?" Alex wanted to say no. He felt embarrassed. But there was no time. "Yes, I need to get to Central Station." "Can you help me?" "I can try. My name is Sam." "I'm Alex. The station is not close, but there is a shortcut." Sam spoke quickly. Alex understood the word shortcut, but he did not understand the rest. Usually, Alex would smile and pretend. Not tonight. "Could you say that again, slowly?" "There is a shortcut through the old parking garage." This time, Alex understood. They started walking fast. Then they started running. It was 11:44. 14 minutes remained. The rain became stronger. At the end of the road, they saw a bridge. But something was wrong. The bridge was closed. A large sign said, "No entry." What now? There is another way. Then every light on the street went out. Across the road, Alex saw a small store. It was still open. They ran inside. A tired man stood behind the counter. "Excuse me, can you help us?" "What do you need?" "How do we get to Central Station?" "Go behind the building, enter the garage, take the stairs to level 2, leave through the north door, then follow the railway." Alex understood almost nothing. But now he knew what to say. Could you say that again? Slowly. Go behind this building. Behind the building. Enter the parking garage. The parking garage. Then take the stairs to level 2. Level 2. Yes. Alex repeated the important information. That gave him time. It also showed the man what Alex understood. Hurry, the north door closes at midnight. It was 11:48. The parking garage was almost empty. Their footsteps echoed between the walls. Level 1, then level 2. They found the north door. Sam pulled it. Locked. No. Wait. There was another door. A red sign said, "Emergency exit, alarm will sound." Can we use it? We can, but security will come. Alex looked at the time. 11:51. 7 minutes remained. Open it. The alarm screamed. Alex and Sam ran outside. A security guard came around the corner. Stop! What are you doing? Alex was afraid. The guard looked angry. Alex wanted Sam to speak, but Sam said nothing. This was Alex's problem. Alex took a breath. We are lost. We need to get to Central Station. The station? Yes. Is this the right way? Yes. Follow that road. The station is 5 minutes away. 5 minutes away. But they had only 5 minutes left. They ran. Alex's shoes were wet. His legs hurt. He could hear a train in the distance. Then they saw the station lights. 11:56. 2 minutes. They ran down the stairs. Platform 1. Platform 2. But Alex could not see his train. Which platform? I don't know. Excuse me, is this the right platform for the 11:58 train? No, it leaves from Platform 4. Platform 4 was on the other side of the station. Alex looked at the clock. 11:57. 1 minute. They ran up the stairs, across the bridge, down another staircase. The train doors were open. Then a warning sound began. Doors closing. Sam! Alex was inside. Sam was outside. The train started moving. Alex looked through the window. Sam smiled and waved. But then Alex noticed something strange. Sam had never tried to enter the train. He was not going home. He had only come to help Alex. The next morning, Alex returned to River Park. He wanted to thank Sam. He found the same bus driver. Do you know a man named Sam? The driver smiled. Yes, he works near the park. Why did he help me? The driver looked at Alex. Because many years ago, Sam came to this city with no English. He got lost at night. A stranger helped him get home. Sam never forgot. Alex had studied English for months, but that night he learned something new. You do not need perfect English when you are lost. You need simple English that works. 5 short phrases change the night. These phrases are not difficult, but under pressure, simple words can disappear. So practice them before you need them. Imagine you're Alex. Your phone is dead. You're at the wrong bus stop. Ask me for help. Excuse me, can you help me? Good. Now ask for directions. How do I get to Central Station? Now check the bus. Is this the right bus? That night, Alex took the wrong bus. He lost his map. He almost missed the last train. But he did not stay silent. He asked for help. And sometimes one simple sentence can change everything. Speak before you feel ready. Someone may be waiting to help you. Keep going.